Greetings, my name is Anat Ben Israel. On July 25th, I'm offering a biodynamic body psychotherapy workshop called In the Palm of My Hand, opening to the heart center beyond survival. I have created this workshop especially for these times with great uncertainties and unknowns. They bring fears, anxieties, sense of overwhelm and depression. And as well as people have to keep away from one another and at times in isolation, it brings a sense of loneliness, of disconnect, of insecurity. However, there is a place within us that is beyond survival, that can offer wisdom that is beyond one's personal life experience, and that is the heart center. It is not the emotional heart, it is the heart chakra. It is a place that connects us to universal wisdom, to the life force, to nature, to life-affirming space. In this workshop, utilizing methods mainly from biodynamic psychotherapy, using energy work, touch, different psychotherapeutic processes connecting body, breath, emotions, energy, and mindful processes. And of course, connecting us to our own spirit and to that which connects us all. We will work in small groups as well in pairs and individual process work. Everything that you will learn in this workshop, you will be able to utilize whether in a virtual session or in a face-to-face session, and as well with yourself. For all of us can find our own path and create our own unique way to connect to that resource that is beyond survival and can include these emotions that challenge us so very much and support wellness, self-regulation, and knowing that we are not alone, even when we cannot fully and completely be spontaneous and creative. The heart center is a place of choice, a place of creativity, a place of resiliency, and a place of compassion to self and to others, where diversity is welcomed. I look forward to meet you on July 25th. Blessings and all the best.